Cathie Wood sticks to bullish Tesla call, sees stocks hitting 2600. So who's Cathie Wood? Cathie Wood is a well-known investment manager and CEO of ARK Invest. So what is Cathie Wood's prediction for Tesla stock? Cathie Wood predicts Tesla stock will reach 2600. So why is Wood bullish on Tesla? She believes in Tesla's innovative technology, leadership, and growth potential. Has Cathie Wood's prediction changed despite recent declines? No, she remains confident in her prediction. So what does Cathie Wood think about Tesla's competitors? Cathie Wood believes Tesla has a significant lead in electric vehicles or electric vehicle technology. So how does Cathie Wood respond to critics of Tesla valuation? Cathie Wood argues that Tesla's innovation, technology and growth prospects justify its valuation. So then, what role does sustainability play in Cathie Wood's investment strategy? Sustainability is a key factor, and she believes Tesla is a leader in sustainable energy solution. So is Cathie Wood concerned about Tesla's recent sales decline or declines? No. She views the decline as temporary and expects Tesla sales to rebound. So how does Cathie Wood's prediction compare to Tesla's current stock price? Tesla's current stock price is significantly lower than Cathie Wood's predicted price of 2600. So what should investors take away from Cathie Wood's prediction? Investors should consider Wood's long-term perspective and confidence in Tesla's innovative technology and growth potential. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor or independent financial advisor. This is for information and learning purpose only. Do like, share and subscribe for more updates on videos like this. Thank you.